It is very important when you want to use landed cost feature in Odoo that you should have a landed cost settings enabled. Along with that, you should create a product for landed cost. So when you do any data for entry for landed cost, you have to select that product. And landed cost product must have the type service. Okay, only in service type product you can enable the landed cost checkbox. If all the configuration is done set very well, either you can go in inventory app. From there you can directly enter the landed cost entry. You can apply splitting method. You have to select your incoming shipments, and on that you can apply splitting method. You can directly put the cost of your freight or whatever landed cost. This is one way. The second way is go in the accounting, create a bills, and there you select the landed cost product. Both the way you can do. When you follow first thing, when you didn't receive bills and you just want to enter the cost for your inventory valuation, then follow the first method. If you receive bills from your vendor, then follow the second method. In that case, don't follow both the things. Okay. Hope you understand. Thank you. Thanks a lot.